Hello everyone, today is May the 23rd. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department, here for today's COVID-19 update. For today's data, I would encourage you to go to accessken.com. When you go to that website, follow the links for the COVID resources. You'll find the dashboard. You'll see all of the latest data from here in Kent County, in regional counties, and throughout the state of Michigan. It's a great dashboard with tons of really interesting data. This is Memorial Day weekend, and first of all, I want to say that our prayers and our gratitude and respect from all of us here in Kent County go up to all of those who have sacrificed their lives for our country in the military service. We have a ton of respect and gratitude for all that they have given to make freedom and liberty available for all of us. We're getting a lot of questions about food safety and about COVID-19 with picnics and grilling this weekend. And I want to encourage people to go outside. We know that getting outside and enjoying the outdoors correlates to better health. It's a great idea. Exercise, fresh air, sunlight, all of these things correlate to better mental health, better physical health, and just a better sense of happiness. And we all could use a little joy right now anyway, especially after being indoors for so much of the past couple of months. But as you're grilling, some things to think about. First of all, you should still, and if you have some people over, we know we can have up to 10 people with gatherings now. You want to make sure that you're still being respectful of social distancing and making sure that people are wearing masks and that we're not getting too close. The more we're learning about how COVID is spread, the more we're finding out that the most powerful, the most effective way that the virus spreads is through close proximity. Masks can be an effective tool for limiting the virus being spread. It's also very important that we're washing hands and we're following through with all those other precautions as well. Wearing a mask while you're preparing the food is a good idea. As we talk, we are releasing moisture in our breath. Particles of saliva come out, and all of that moisture carries virus with it. So wearing a mask while you're preparing food is a good idea. It's also a good idea to think about food safety in ways beyond COVID-19. Every year, millions of Americans suffer with foodborne illness. One of the most important things that leads to foodborne illness is cross-contamination. And that's using the same utensils from the raw ingredients, especially raw meat, to the prepared ingredients. So you have to be very careful that cutting boards, tongs, knives, forks, plates, any of the things that we're using, our hands, touching and preparing raw food, that we're washing those things or using clean items to touch the prepared food items. We want to make sure that we're keeping cold food cold and hot food hot. Temperature and time of use are very important. Anything that is potentially a hazardous food item that sat out at room temperature for more than a couple of hours, you want to discard. And of course, you want to keep those food items covered as well. We're getting to that point of the year where there are lots of flies and insects, and those flies will certainly carry a lot of bacteria from other things that may be in the yard or in the environment to your food, and you want to limit that as much as possible. Also want you to think about those who maybe don't have the same access to food this weekend. This pandemic has created a lot of food insecurity. We have a lot of great organizations here in Grand Rapids and throughout West Michigan doing their part to feed families. One of those organizations is Kids Food Basket. And so I want to encourage you to go to their website, kidsfoodbasket.org. Consider giving a donation to that organization so they can continue to feed families here in Kent, Ottawa, Muskegon, and Allegan counties. So many families are struggling for food right now. A little donation would be really much appreciated by that organization and by those families. To make it easy, you can actually text the letters KFB to the number 56651 and make a donation that way as well. So we're going to take a couple of days off, Sunday and Monday for the Memorial Day holiday. We're going to take those couple of days off. So I look forward to seeing you again on Tuesday. And until then, stay positive, stay heroic, and stay healthy. I'm Dr. Adam London with the Kent County Health Department. Have a great weekend.